Hello children. Today we are going to start the section 3 of French Revolution entitled French abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. Before going to start this section, we will see what various events took place in France. First we will see the Louis XVI, who ascended the throne in 1774, and due to the overburden of taxes more and more price of the goods rose up. The people of France were not happy with the Louis XVI. So Louis XVI was beheaded, and after that the National Assembly came into force under the leadership of Abbé Sieyès and Mirabeau in 1789. National Assembly continued, and after that there were so much disturbance was there in National Assembly too. Then the power came in the hands of Convention, which we are going to study today. Convention came in 1792. The Jacobin club's leader Robespierre, who was the leader of the Convention. Convention policy was good. So many reforms was brought by the Robespierre, who was the head of the Convention. And after the trial of the court, the Robespierre was beheaded. Then next, the Directory came in 1794. Directory comprised of the 5 members. Directories also clashes with each other, and sometimes they also clashes with the Legislative Council. So these are ups and downs which took place in France. Directory came in 1794. Because of several ups and downs, because all the leaders, they were unable to control the situation, which paved the way to the Napoleon Bonaparte, who was one of the military dictators, to ascend the throne. So again you have seen that how this monarchical form of government had changed into the military form of government. We will see that how the France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. Monarchy, as you know, the monarch, the power of the monarch or king, you can say, becomes a republic. Republic is the form of government. Republic means, already you have learnt in the previous chapter, that republic is the form of government where representatives are chosen by people. The power is not hereditary. Hereditary means which do not comes from generation to generation. So we will see the France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. So in the previous section we have learned that the National Assembly limits the power of the monarch. The power was distributed between the legislative, executive and judiciary. The situation of France continued to be the tense during the following years. the Louis XVI had signed the constitution, but he was not happy with the National Assembly. So he had gone with the secret negotiation with Prussia. And even the ruler of other countries, other neighboring countries, they were also looking after the situation of the France. They were also not happy. With the occurrence which was going into the France. So other country was also planning to attack over the France, and in the meantime the Louis XVI made a secret alliance with the Prussia. So Louis XVI secret alliance with the Prussia. And before this all could happen, the National Assembly 1789 had sent the troop or declare the war against the Prussia and Austria. So secret negotiation was there with the Louis XVI, but in the meantime the National Assembly had declared war with Prussia and Austria, the two neighboring countries. The thousands of volunteers, they joined the army, and they saw this as the war of people against the king, nobles, aristocrats. Aristocrats means rich section of the society in Europe. So a large section of the young men joined the army. Among the patriotic song was also composed, how it was composed in India, Vande Mataram, Jan Gan Man, that was composed during the time of freedom struggle. In the same way, in Europe, in France also, the new song which was composed, new song name was Marseillaise. So Marseillaise was the song, patriotic song, which was sang, and later on it became the national anthem of France. It was made by the Roget de l'Isle. Roget de l'Isle. So Roget de l'Isle was composed this song Marseillaise. And this patriotic song, which was sung for the first time by the volunteers from Marseille. Marseille, that is the poet city of South France. Marseille is the poet city of the South France. So this Marseillaise song, patriotic song, which was sang in the poet city named Marseilles. The revolutionaries were brought losses and economic difficulties to the people. Men were fighting at the front and women were looking after the family. And women were also arranging the livelihood of the family. Men were busy in the war because men felt that this was the war against the aristocracy, against the king. So they joined the army happily and they fought for their own nation. The large section of the population were convinced that the revolution had to be carried further as the Constitution of 1791 gave political right only to the richer section. So large section people, they thought that this constitution which was made in 1791, which has not given equal right to the people of France, it had given rights to the richer section of the society. And in the meantime, Jacobin Club was formed. In Jacobin clubs, all the discussions were made, and Jacobin clubs got its name from the farmer convent. Convent means the building belonging to a community devoted to a religious life. So Jacobin club got its name from the farmer convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. Women too had participated in the discussion and they also formed their own club. That means men as well as the women also were active in the movement. The members of the Jacobin clubs belonged to less prosperous group. They were the shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, painters, printers, and daily wages workers. And their leader were Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre. Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre was the Jacobin in charge, Jacobin club in charge. He was leading the Jacobin club, which named after the convent Jacob, convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. A large group among the Jacobin decided to start wearing long stripped, their dress was long stripped trouser, and to set themselves fashionable. So Jacobin clubs members, they wore a trouser, long stripped trouser, which looks fashionable, to look fashionable like nobles, because they hated nobles, and who wore who wore knee breeches. Knee breeches means a dress worn by a man who rode over a horse. So nobles wore the knee breeches. Breeches meaning is a dress worn by a man who rode over horse. Jacobin wore long striped trousers to proclaim the end of the power of nobles. So the similar dresses which was made by the Jacobin club member to show themselves, to show the end of the power of the nobles. This Jacobin came to be known as sans-culotte. Sans-culotte literally meaning those without knee breeches. So Jacobin came to be known as the sans-culotte. Sans-culotte man wear red cap to symbolize liberty. So along with the trouser, they also wore the red cap. Red cap was the symbol of liberty. Women were not allowed to do or to wear red cap. And in the summer of 1792, the Jacobin planned an insurrection. Insurrection or revolt. Insurrection means revolt of a large number of Parisian, the native of Paris, who were angered by the short supplies and high prices of food. So Jacobin Club planned in 1792 to attack over the Parisian. Parisian means the people who resided in Paris. So they decided to attack over them because they were doing agitation against the high price rise and short supplies. So because of short supplies and high price, these Parisians revolted in 1792 when the National Assembly was busy in making the constitution. So on the morning of August 10, they stormed to the palace of Tuileries and massacred the king's guards and held the king himself as hostage for several hours. So on 10th of August, they went to the palace of Tuileries and they massacred the king. Means they killed the king's guard and held the king, or you can say they kidnapped the king for several hours. Later the assembly voted to imprison the royal family. So National Assembly voted to imprison the royal family after the revolt of the convention or after the revolt of the Jacobin Club led by the Robespierre. So election was held from onward and all men of 21 years and above regardless of wealth, got the right to vote. So the election was held previously. Do you remember? National Assembly had given the right to vote to 25 years people who attain the age of 25 years and those who pay the tax and 3 days wages of the labor salary. But here after the election, when the convention came to power, it had given all the people who was at the age of 21 years, regardless of wealth, got the right to vote. So these changes took place and newly elected assembly was known as convention, and on 21st September 1792, 21st September 1792, it abolishes the monarchy and it became the republic. Republic is the form of government where the representatives are chosen by people. There are no hereditary monarch or hereditary power. So Louis XVI was sentenced to death by the court on the charge of treason. Treason means betraying one's own country, and his wife Marie Antoinette, she got the same fate later on. You will see in figures 10 the Nanine Valian, a women artist, drawn a female allegory of liberty. So Robespierre rule was called the Reign of Terror. The period of 1793 and 1794 was referred as the Reign of Terror. Terror means fear. Everyone was scared with the ruler Robespierre, Jacobin Club in charge. Robespierre followed the policy of severe control and punishment. All those enemies of republic, like ex-nobles, clergy, members of other political parties, and even the own parties who did not agree with the method of the government, were arrested and imprisoned and tried by a revolutionary tribunal. If the court found them guilty, they were guillotined. And guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person was beheaded, and it named after the Dr. Guillotin. Dr. Guillotin. Dr. Guillotin, who invented it. So those who did not obey the rules of the Robespierre, he was beheaded in the guillotine. Guillotine was a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. And guillotine was named after the Dr. Guillotin. So Robespierre government issued laws like a maximum number of reforms which was made by the Robespierre government, a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. So ceiling of wages and prices means the goods prices which was fixed. No shopkeeper could sell beyond the rate which was fixed by the government. So if government fixes 10 rupees for a soap, shopkeeper cannot sell that soap in more than 10 rupees. So fixes on the prices and wages. Meat and bread were rationed. Meat and bread was given on the ration shop. Peasants were forced to transport the grain to the city and sell it at the fixed price. No peasant, farmer can grow the crops, but he could not sell the grains according to his own will. He could sell the goods to the city at the fixed price which was affixed by the government. More expensive white flour means wheat, that was also forbidden. More expensive flour was forbidden or prohibited. All citizens were required to eat bread and everyone had to eat the same bread. All the title was abolished, sir or madam. Sir was called Monsieur in France, and madam the same madam. And everyone was called as a citizen. There were no inequality. Churches were shut down and their property was confiscated by the government, and churches was converted into the barrack or offices. Barrack means army or cantonment area, army area. Robespierre's supporters began to demand moderation. Robespierre's supporter was also unhappy with the Robespierre. They wanted moderation. Moderation means little flexibility in the rules and regulations, politeness in the rules and regulations, but he was very strict, Robespierre. And finally the Robespierre was convicted by court in July 1794 and arrested, and on the next sent to the guillotine. So he was also convicted by the court and sent to the guillotine in July 1794. And after that, Directory ruled over the France. The fall of the Jacobin Club or Robespierre allowed the wealthier middle classes to seize power. All the wealthier middle classes, they seized the power of France. New constitution was introduced which denied the vote to the non-property section of society. So another constitution which was made, and the person who did not have property, did not own property, he was not allowed to vote according to new constitution. But during the Robespierre government, Jacobin Club, all the persons of 21 years of age, irrespective of wealth, they were allowed to vote. So new constitution of Directory which was framed and which allowed only the only the person who could vote, who had property, and it also provided the two elected legislative council. Legislative council was elected, two legislative council, along with the directory. Directory comprised of the 5 members, and this directory was made to decentralize the power, as you could see in Jacobin Club. The power was centralized, and to decentralize the power, the 5 members were kept in the directory. Directors often clash with the legislative council, or often they clashes among them, and the political instability of the directory paved the way to rise of the military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. All these changes which took in France, but in spite of that, the whole world, they got the ideals of freedom, equality before law, fraternity remains the inspiring ideals that motivated political movement in France and rest of the Europe during the following century. So all this, especially the rights, equality before law, ideals of freedom, fraternity, that had given to the rest of the world. Now we will see in the next video the section 4. Did women have a revolution? So we will start the next video. Thank you.